Hey guys, welcome to HNS Academy. In today's video, we're going to talk about a new trending app called Wombo, also known as Wombo.ai. It's very popular on some of the platforms like TikTok, also on Snapchat and Instagram as well. So basically what it does is it adds some animation plus some lyrics to your picture. So basically it makes your selfies sing the songs for you. So it basically creates a small video of that. I've already made a video on a similar app called My Heritage, which is a similar app which you can use as well. So if you are interested in looking at that as well, so I will be adding the link in the description and you can check that in the I button on the top as well. So if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, make sure to subscribe so you get notified for any upcoming videos like this. With that being said, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to download the app from Play Store. Inside the Play Store, you need to search for Wombo, and this will be the first app which will pop up. It says Wombo, make your selfies sing. Now here you will get the option to install the app. I've already downloaded and installed the app, so I'm getting the open options. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it, and we're going to see how we can use that. So here we are on the home screen of the app, and as you can see it says premium on the top, but we are happy to use the free version because you will get most of the functionality in the free version. Premium is only if you want some additional features, so we're just gonna go with the free version for now. Now once I'll click on the let's go option, it will usually ask for a couple of permissions which I've already allowed, so it might not pop up on my screen for now. However, you would have to allow both of those options. It's basically an access to your camera and also to your storage, so you just need to press allow on both of those. Once we click on let's go, it will open up the selfie camera for you, and then you have three options at the bottom. If you click on the right option with the two-headed arrow, it will switch the camera from front to back, as you can see this way. And then the other two options are basically, the middle one is to actually take a picture. So you can take a picture with your camera of yourself or someone, and then you can create a Wombo of that. Or if you want to use a picture from your gallery, then you just need to click on the option on the left side, and that will take you to your phone storage from where you can select one of the pictures. Let's say I have one of the pictures over here. What we want to do is you can crop the image as well. Let's say we want to crop out the girl at the background, so we go like this, and I guess this looks good. And then once you're done with the cropping, you just need to click on the tick on the top right corner, and that saves the picture for you. Now in order to create the Wombo, you just need to click on the Wombo green icon at the bottom. When you click on that, it will start creating the Wombo for you. Now, once you've clicked on that, it gives you the option to select from different options over here, what kind of music or the animation you want to add. And so there are different songs available over here. You might notice that there are some, just like this one, Bing Bong. There is a W icon or the Wombo app icon on the right side. These are the ones which are available only with the premium version, so you might not be able to use those, but as you can see there's only 3 or 4 of those. Most of the stuff is free, which is a very good thing, so you can get to use most of the songs available over here. And as you can see on the top, it also says new songs, so they are constantly adding more songs to this as well. So by the time you download it, you might see some new songs appear over here as well. So let's see how we can create a Wombo for this. So here you just need to click on one of the options. Let's say we select the first one, and it will play the music for you. Now it's playing it, but you might not hear it on your end because I've muted it for copyright purpose. Once you click on that, down at the bottom, as you can see, that same icon has appeared again. You just need to click on the green icon, and that will start creating the Wombo for you. Now you might see an ad or two over here, but usually you can simply close that very quickly. Now this step might take some time, so be patient, and it will depending on your phones, what kind of phone you have, it might take some time. So just bear with it. And as you can see, it has created a video, and as you can see, it has the picture is actually singing the lyrics. Now I can't really add the music over here because of the copyright purposes, but you can check this on your end, and overall it looks pretty good. And once you're done with this all the editing, you can save it to your gallery. There's a save option over here, or you could send the Wombo to a friend, and that gives you the options to share it on via WhatsApp or whatever platform you want to use. You might have noticed that some people are actually adding their own music. So what you can do is you can create a Wombo like this, and then you can add a background music using a different app as well. So that is entirely up to you. But even if you stick with the ones which are available over here, you will get a really good overall experience. So that's all there is to this app. Hope you liked it, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.